Let's be clear. No smoothie can fix a missing factor 8 or 9 gene. But in 2026, we know that managing hemophilia isn't just about infusions. It's about protecting your joints and your blood volume. Every time you have a bleed, your body loses iron and your joints take a hit. If you want to recover faster from bleeds and keep your knees strong for decades, you need a strategy. Here are the 5 best dietary pillars for managing hemophilia. Number 3 is the secret to stopping long-term joint pain. Number 1, the blood builder. Chronic bleeding, even microbleeds, depletes your iron stores, leading to fatigue and anemia. You need hemi-iron from lean red meats or non-heme iron from spinach and lentils. Think of iron as the raw material your body needs to replace what it loses.
I'm the most ignored vitamin, but without me, even a small cut can bleed longer.
Number 2, vitamin K. While it won't replace your missing factor, vitamin K is essential for the other clotting pathways in your body to work perfectly. You can find this in dark leafy greens like kale, spinach, and broccoli. You want to give your body every possible advantage to stop a bleed. Number 3, the joint protector. Number 3 is crucial for every hemophiliac. The biggest long-term risk of hemophilia is hemarthrosis, joint damage. To prevent your bones from deteriorating, you must keep them dense and strong. Dairy, fortified plant milks, and yogurt are non-negotiable for protecting your knees and elbows. Number 4, the inflammation fighter. Repeated bleeds cause chronic inflammation in the joints. You can fight this naturally with omega-3s from fish and spices like turmeric. These act as natural coolers, reducing the swelling and pain that comes after a bleed. Finally, number 5, the hydrator. It sounds simple, but dehydration makes your blood thicker and harder to access for infusions. Keeping your blood volume up makes treatment easier and supports your kidneys in filtering out waste from old blood cells. Our diet is your daily therapy. Combine these foods with your doctor's treatment plan to live a full, active life in 2026. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more health guides. Stay strong and see you next time.